morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome again to my channel. Morena Kaye is here. So yes, so today is Thursday. So I'm having my my mocha. Let's eat. Yes. Mocha, and then I have my salad last night. Salad. It's just an tuna, egg, some salt and pepper, and then mayonnaise. So good. So I need to look here. I need to eat something. I don't eat in the morning usually, and I just have always coffee in the morning, but since I'm gonna take some pills, so I need some food. And then I have also oranges. I love oranges. And then what else? Oh yeah, so today, yeah, because I still need to take pills. Last night it was painful, but this morning when I woke up, I don't feel any pain. So it's good. And then yes, so 9 o'clock we have baby Morena have activity, so I will also go for a swim also. And then yes, so I'm going to show you later. Same spot. Yeah, I love to be so good. I love to go for a swim, stay in the sun. I super love it. So the dentist told me I cannot eat something hot and cold. So this is cold. As soon as I have it, it's, I don't know what it really. It's like the cold go to the teeth like that. So yes. Anyway, so I will come back later when I'm already at the beach. Yeah, so we are now at the beach. Beach day. I love beach. One of my favorite spending time here at the beach. How about you? Do you like beach? Even me, I don't know how to swim. I know how to swim when I was in the swimming pool and with the goggles, but yeah, I'm not really confident yet to swim in the sea. That's how I look pala in the first time. So I'm gonna remove this. Bye-bye. Where are you going? Are they already there? Charan! But I still have my. Okay.